Shoving all the trash in here. Taking pictures with a box full of garbage. Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. If you've never been here before, hello, my name is Brittany and my channel name is pronounced Bratterstein. Swiss Sparkles. Bratterstein. Why am I whispering? Why am I doing that? I don't know. Today's video, as I'm sure you gathered from the title and the thumbnail, is going to be my FabFitFun unboxing. I'm gonna open up this big old box on camera for you so that you can see spoilers if you're waiting for yours, or if you're thinking about getting FabFitFun, you can see what you could potentially have in a box. This box is the fall box, which is why we got all this fall shib all over it. Autumn things, you know, aesthetic, mood. What do the kids say? Vibe. Z with a Z. If you don't know what FabFitFun is, it is a seasonal subscription service, so 4 times a year. They take X number of dollars out of your account, which I believe is $49.99, but that's once every like 4 months or something. And then they send you this box. And it's usually retailed at like more like $200 to $300. At the end, I'll let you know how much it retails for. So I'll do the calculations, but it's $49.99 a month. And I believe if you sign up with somebody's link, which I do not have one as far as I know. Yeah, I'm pretty sure I don't have one, but I'll put somebody's down below, like some codes or whatever. You get $10 off the first one, which makes it $39.99, and you can cancel anytime and all that. So if you just wanted this box, you could sign up with someone's code if you've never done it before, and then cancel it right away and then get all of it for $40. So, you know, whatever you want to do. Dealer's choice. If you like FabFitFun unboxings, please make sure to give this a thumbs up. Look at this fuzz in my hair. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I put out new videos every week. I do FabFitFun each season, and I do other subscriptions, and I do makeup, and I do fitness, and all of that. A little bit of the fab, a little bit of the fit, hopefully a little bit of the fun. And I think I've talked enough. I think it's time to get into this box. Do you want to do that? I think we should do that. Let's do that right now. Right now. If you would like to see what I got in this season's FabFitFun box, just keep on watching. Okay, trying to get this whole box in frame. Let's go ahead and get into it. So, in normal FabFitFun fashion, we get the magazine. I can't hold up the box. Whoa, my hair. The dry shampoo in it makes it very moldable, movable, formable, you know? Okay, so with each FabFitFun, they send you this magazine, which essentially shows you everything that you could be getting in the box. To be honest, I don't go through this magazine fully because I'm not that person. I just go through to see the prices and how you're supposed to use products if I am unsure, and to get brand names in case I can't figure it out, figure out if it's cruelty-free, all that jazz. But basically, you go in it tells you what you could have gotten, this or that, the prices, so I can add that up for you, and if they're partnered with anybody, they're partnered with anybody. All the information about the box for this season is in this magazine, which is cool if you're into that. If you'd like to have more information on what you're, subscribing to, that magazine's it for you. So let's get into the items now. All right, so the first 2 things I see on top are some coupons, which we usually get as well. One is for a $50 gift card towards HelloFresh, which is like a food subscription service. I don't really ever do those because I cook for myself. And then this, oh, okay. This is a coupon for $3 off a box of Luna bars on Amazon with the discount code, which is 3LunaFFF. So if you are wanting them, right there, 3LunaFFF. Go for it. I don't know how long it's good for, but go for it. Okay. The first thing I am seeing in the box is this guy here. So this is from the brand Silo Cobra, and they're the wireless earbuds. So you get emails when it's getting close to the box time, and it lets you choose some of the items in your box. You get like a this or that situation, not with everything, but this is one of the items that you could do it with, and it was between wireless earbuds or an umbrella. And I live in LA, so rain is like, we don't get that. And I do work out every day, and I love my wireless earbuds, but I get the cheap ones because I am cheap, and these are fancy expensive ones, and they are white and rose gold. So I picked these, and I'm super stoked. Super duper stoked. They're just basically, wireless earbuds. You know what they are, and these retail for $40. The ones I buy are like 20, so this is double what I would normally spend on earbuds, so I'm very excited. And they're freaking white and rose gold, so that's what I like. So there you go. I'm excited about these. So the next thing I see is just a little guy here, just a little extra. It's a Luna bar. It says it's a new flavor. It's salted caramel nut, filled with cashew butter. I don't believe it's vegan. It says it's got traces of milk in it. So, I mean, if you don't care about that, then this could be a cool thing. Throw it in your purse, eat it on the go, whatever. The next thing I'm seeing on the box is these guys right here. So these are by the brand Glam Glow. It is a bubble sheet mask. It says it's supposed to detoxify your skin, get all bubbly, get all in there and clean out your pores and everything, give you a glow. It says it's for men and women. Thanks for letting us know. These retail for $18 for the pair. Glam Glow is a more expensive skincare brand. I don't believe they are cruelty-free. I'm going to put all that info down below, or it's a quick, Google search away. But if you were into sheet masks, which I personally am, I love sheet masks. This could be a cool thing to get in the box. It's nice to be included some skincare items. Next in the box, we got this big old bottle here. So this is a shower gel, and it's by the brand Skin & Co. Roma. And it is the scent Blue and Capri. Whatever that is. Let's open it and see the scent. That smells really good. It smells sort of like a dude. Let's see what the scent notes are. It says that it is notes of alpine rose, sage, wild basil, and autumn blossom. It's a limited edition scent. I don't see... cruelty-free. Hell to the yeah. So it can be mine. It doesn't have to be gifted. Sorry, I got so excited. This retails for $22. That's expensive for a body wash. I don't spend that much on body wash myself, but it's cool to get in the box because now we get to try bougie ass body wash that I don't know about you, but I wouldn't normally buy a $22 body wash. So there you go. And I'm pretty sure with what we have down there, we've pretty much paid for the entire box. So everything here is just like excess. The next thing I'm seeing is the most random thing in this box, I think. So this is from the brand Simply Whimsical, and they are tea towels. It retails for $14.99, and it's just like 2 decorative towels for you to keep in your kitchen. As I am approaching 30, I am excited to have towels. It's just so random, but I'm excited to have these because I don't like to buy them, but I want like a cute kitchen, but I don't want to pay for a cute kitchen. I'm still in that like young brain where I don't want to pay for things that are like this, you know what I mean? Like toilet paper and the things I need, I don't want to pay for. I just want them to be free. I know that's ridiculous, but I'm happy to have these towels. And $15 for 2 towels is a little expensive. So these better be very nice, soft, amazing towels. But I'm excited to hang them like on my stove, on the like little bar of the stove. Hang them on, and then you never use them because they are decorative, not for drying your hands. Okie dokie, the next thing I see in the box is this guy right here. Okay, so this is from the brand Grown Alchemist. Let me read this for you. It is a polishing facial exfoliant with pink grapefruit and glucomannan extract. It is vegan and cruelty-free, which is awesome, and so it is an exfoliant. Let's open it up and see. I like the simplicity of the box. Don't know why. Just like it and thought it was noteworthy. Whoa, I just looked in the freaking little magazine, and this retails for $67. Wow, what the heck? Why? What's so great about you? It says it's just an exfoliant to gently exfoliate dry skin to reveal a radiant, moisturized complexion. It's formulated with that glucomannan from konjac to absorb oils and pink grapefruit to fight free radicals. It's a lot of words to say this is very expensive and will take off your dry skin. That's crazy. I'm sorry, that's just so expensive. I'm not going to say I don't use some expensive skincare because I definitely do. I use Drunk Elephant, but I don't know. That's just a lot. That's just a lot. So this is a little tube right here. I want to sniff it. Oh, it's got one of those things that you pop like hair dye. So I'm not going to open it yet. But yeah, this is if you want to try some bougie exfoliants. $67. And it is cruelty-free and vegan. So I'm excited that I get to try that because that's a lot. That's more than the price of the box. So if you just wanted to try that, boom, your box is paid for and some, and everything else is just free. Okie dokie, the next thing I see is over here, and I'm really excited. I saw a spoiler on this. It's the Beauty Blender. It is the Beauty Blender. This retails for $20. I'm sure you have seen this. Everyone has seen this. I have never owned a Beauty Blender. Fun fact for you. That just seems so pricey to me, and I found the Real Technique sponge, and ever since then I've been like, why would I need to spend 20 bucks? But I'm happy to try it. I want to see if there actually is a difference, and if there's a reason this is like the one, or if this is just the first one and like everything else is as good. I'm curious to find out about that, but I'm super stoked to have it. And I got the black one, which is good because black's my favorite color. So, okay, the next thing I'm going to grab out of the box is this guy here. All right, so this here is from the brand Pharmacy, which I do believe is cruelty-free. And this is their Do It All Total Eye Cream. Hell yeah, I love getting skincare. Thank you. I'm about halfway through my current eye cream, which is the Ole Hendrickson, I think, and I do like that, but I love to try different ones because I have yet to find one that's like, this is my only. You know what I mean? And this here retails for $38, so that's not cheap. I have tried things from Pharmacy and I have enjoyed them. So let's see what the thing looks like. Ooh, hell yeah. Ooh, I like this packaging. It's like, I can't, like, ceramic and then a wood top. I like that. This is my aesthetic, I guess you could say. I am a fan of this. It's a little bit small. It's about that big. 38 bucks. That's expensive for an eye cream, so I'm excited to have gotten this. This has been a pretty good box. I'm going to say it's a good box. I'm going to say I like this box. I'm going to call it. I like it. Okay, it looks like there's only 2 more things left in the box. We're getting there. This is one that I'm so excited for. Dude, this is a crown brush set. So this is another one that I got to choose, and it was between this and like this big kind of, I'm sorry FabFitFun, but kind of ugly bag in my opinion. It wasn't my vibe. Other people have chose it and liked it. I'm pretty sure my mom chose the bag. I don't know, she might have gone with the brushes. But you got to choose between all black or like, it was like black and rose gold or silver and white. So it comes in this little guy, which I appreciate because I have nothing to hold my brushes right now. I'm running out of room in life. Open it up. Whoa. Ah, that was 75 bucks, man. That's a lot of dollars. So I chose the black with the rose gold writing, and it comes with 5 brushes. Oh. So it comes with 2 face brushes and 4 eye brushes. Oh my God, look at it. Look at it. I'm so excited. This retails for $75. I would never. I'd have to win the lottery. If I won the lottery, I would. Don't get me wrong. If I could afford it, I would. But right now, no. $75. I don't like to buy brushes. I've said it 100 times. If you should know anything about me from watching my videos, is that I don't like to buy brushes. I say it so often. So when I get them in subscriptions, I am so stoked. So this is a win. And 75 bucks? No. All right, guys. And the last thing in the box is another one I got to choose, and I'm so excited for this. Let me make sure sometimes they have. Okay, so this here retails for $26, and it is a friggin' teapot. It's a ceramic and stainless steel teapot. Are you serious? Let me open it all up. It's well packaged. I looked last night. I'm not gonna lie to you. Look at it. Wait. Look at this little teapot. Are you serious? Okay, so it was between this and a French press, and I am more of a coffee person, but I have a coffee pot, and I had a French press before, and we didn't use it that much. And so I've been intermittent fasting, which is a whole thing, which I don't even want to get into. It's a diet thing, but I can't have calories during the day until later in the day, so I haven't been able to drink coffee because black coffee is disgusting. But I can drink tea without sweetener, and that's fine. So I've been drinking tea in the morning now instead of coffee, and I've just been like boiling it in a pot and then trying to pour it into the cup without getting it all over the counter. Now I have a tiny teapot with a little pourer, and it's freaking adorable. Look at that. This is like the other half of my personality. It's like the all black and then like the dainty little princess. I don't know which one I am more of, but I'm a little of both, and this is super adorable, and I'm so excited. When I saw this, I was like, how do they know exactly what I need right now? A teapot and the freaking wireless headphones. I just broke mine. One ear works on one of them. The other one, I break them all the time. So this box, I don't know. Is Siri telling them stuff? Are they hearing me say stuff and then Siri tells FabFitFun? Because I'm telling you, Siri tells everyone everything, so I wouldn't be surprised if she told them about this. That was like a whole weird rant, but I was just talking to my friend about this yesterday because Siri listens to you. I'm sorry, she does. And she listens to things other people say around your phone, and then they give you ads. It happens. Done with the rant now. All right, guys, so that is everything I got in this season's FabFitFun box, and the retail value of what I got is $281, and I spent $50. So yeah, if you like this type of thing and you see that the majority of what you're getting in the box is something you like, this could be a great option for you. I love subscriptions. This and BoxyCharm, that is my shib. That's how I collect things and try things and find things that I love and get things that I would never personally buy myself. Like, these kind of things work very well for me. And if they do for you and you don't have them yet, it will be linked down below. And yeah, that's pretty much it. To me, it's kind of a no-brainer. $50, $281. For me, that works. This works in my life. And since it's only 4 times a year, that's only $200 a year. Like, it's good for me. And if it's good for you too, cool. Cool. If you liked this video, please make sure to give it a thumbs up. And if you have not subscribed already, make sure to do so. I do these every season. So if you subscribe, you can watch them. We can hang out. You'll see other videos, makeup videos, fitness videos, all kinds of videos. I got a lot. I've been filming a lot this last like 2 weeks. I've got some stuff coming. So make sure to subscribe. Because once I hit 1,000 subscribers, I will be doing a giveaway on whatever's hot. And we are extremely close. So it is free. Who doesn't like free things? Psychos, that too. Of course, make sure to follow me on social media if you want. I am big on Instagram stories. My Instagram is the same as my YouTube. It's Bratterstein, and that's all the makeup related stuff and like the day-to-day. And then if you like fitness stuff, I'll put it on the screen. It's Fatterstein, which is just the same, but with an F and no R, you know, Fatterstein. That's where I do all my fitness stuff, and I'm pretty active on that. As far as posting, I think I'm more active on Fatterstein. And I just want to legitimately thank you for hanging out with me. I know there's a lot of things you could be doing. There's plenty of people you could be watching. So thank you for clicking on this video and hanging out. If you've gotten this far, put like, I don't know, a lightning bolt emoji so I know that you actually made it to the end. Because I feel like a lot of people just click off. You're like, that was everything. And they're like, bye. So if you've made it this far, lightning bolt emoji. And I'll know you're part of the Brat Pack. Hey. And if you are still watching videos, go ahead and click, I think I'll put them over here, on these videos that I put up in the past. And if you click on my face, it'll take you to where you can subscribe, since I, didn't give you enough options for that. And I will see you guys next time, I hope. Thank you, and goodbye.